Hey everyone, it's Megan Pasika with the DNA Doe Project. A couple of weeks ago, I traveled to Georgetown, Texas to visit the final resting places of two of our former Jane Does, Debra Jackson, formerly Orange Socks Jane Doe, and Sue Ann Huskey, formerly Corona Girl Jane Doe. Debra was originally from Abilene, Texas, but had moved to Amarillo and then to Azle in 1978, where she worked in an assisted living facility. Her body was found on Interstate 35 in Georgetown on Halloween 1979. She was 23 years old. Sue Ann Huskey had lived with her family in Sulphur Springs, Texas. Her sisters described her as a happy, bubbly, spoiled little girl. She disappeared in early 1989 and was found murdered that September, also along I-35. She was 17 years old. Both were unidentified for decades following their deaths. Debra was identified in August 2019, and Sue Ann was identified in January 2020, but the identities of their killers remain unknown. They rest here in Georgetown, side by side, watched over and still beloved by the community all these years later. Their graves are adorned with flowers from visitors, and I brought 2 little white roses to let them know we're still thinking about them. Those of us in investigative genetic genealogy don't forget about a doe once they're identified. We remember their faces and their stories. Little details like a childhood scar or a funny t-shirt or bright pink nail polish that give us a glimpse into who they were in life. And these cases will stay with us for the rest of our lives. Our thoughts and condolences are always with their loved ones. If you have any information that could help their homicide investigations, you can send a tip anonymously through Williamson County Crime Stoppers online or at 1-800-253-7867. Or you can contact the Sheriff's Office directly online or at 512-943-5204.